Right now I'm walking with my beautiful compatriot, my lifelong... Don't hide from the camera. Don't hide. Hey, yeah. Anyway, Yolette and I are here at section 14. She's somewhere here. Here, let me see. Come on, Yolette. They all want to see you. Anyway, she is actually, she's everything here. So we have a little demonstration today, a little video to upload. All right, well, anyway, right now she's waiting for the makeup crew, and she's the main star of all our videos, naturally. But anyway, stay tuned. Paul Katroff, 423byland.com. Thank you. Another beautiful morning, another day in Lake Livingston Village. We're down to a few lots that we're going to be selling, and they're going pretty quickly, especially with the election around the corner. But today I wanted just to upload a short little video of one of our lots that our customer has purchased. I've documented how he's cleared the lots, and I've showed you that cleared lot on lot number 158. Well, just recently he installed the dirt, and he had the truck brought in. He had our lot developer Dave, who's an expert. He's done hundreds of lots, and he installed the dirt pad. It looks fantastic. So I thought I would show up this morning and just go show you that lot after the dirt has come in. It's fantastic. But right now I'm in Section 14, I bragged about it before. It's an infamous section. It's a section that is not buildable. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a huge section of nothing but dirt roads and trees and lots, and it's not buildable. So it's kind of sad in a way, because as you walk around, you go down the back streets, you'll see signs embedded in the trees, kind of like a civilization of a long time ago. And it's pretty cool because you can walk your dog back here, and that's what we do with Tank. We like to take them back here, and seemingly, I would say, looks like there's miles of roads. But this is located within the actual subdivision. So if you have a big dog and when you buy a lot and you want a place to walk your dog, you don't have to leave the subdivision. All you do is drive to the back. There's a little dirt road that comes back, and section 14 is great. As you can see, I've got Tank, and Tank, gee, he's really well trained. And so with Tank, we're taking him in section 14. Then after here, we're going to go to lot 158, and I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you what a brand new lot looks like with brand new dirt just installed. So if you give me a second, I got to run this big puppy down. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Good boy. Okay, we're on our way to lot 158 right now. It's just been developed as far as the pad installed, and our guy Dave did that. He does a fantastic job. I can't brag about him enough. And I think you'll like this. When you see a lot that's just finished, it's always really beautiful to look at. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are. We're in front of lot 158, and this lot is done as far as the dirt pad that has been installed. So we're going to walk this really quickly. I'm really excited about this. This shows you what you can do with your lot. Now remember, this lot wasn't cleared by me. The homeowner cleared the lot. Right across the street is Dave, our developer. He has several residences. He's got one here in the subdivision. He's got tractors, he's got everything. So he just did this lot, so come with me. This is fantastic. Beautiful. Wow. You see, the culvert was installed prior to the pad, which is the dirt you see on the property. So first they cleared the lot, then they came out and installed the culvert so that the equipment can get over the ditch and get onto the property. Really nice. What this gentleman is going to do is, you can see this is not just a driveway, this is a drive, and it's also a pad. You can see he brought in extra dirt and went the width of the lot, and the reason for that is he's not simply installing an RV and backing it up. If you're installing an RV, you don't need this much dirt. You could just do a straight drive down the middle. But if you are going to install a unit, let's say something on skids or a cabin, then you're going to need more dirt to actually make a pad. So you can see the pad that fans out from lot line to lot line. It's absolutely beautiful. And this one is ready to start the cabin installation. I believe that cabin is going to be coming in next week. Bang up job, beautiful job. You just can't get better than that. He's going to come in later on If you look at this part right here, and he's going to install what's called road base. So on top of this orange dirt is going to be what you see across the street, which is a mixture of cement and rock. And that's important because this is where a lot of your weight's going to be going continuously throughout the year. It'll keep the orange dirt over here from eroding. Not so important there. You don't really want the road base there. You just want that base of red dirt to block up your unit, and you want to be able to grow grass and what have you. So there's a little bit more to do in this, but it's pretty much done. You can see the width he did. Beautiful job. Dave just doesn't do a bad job. He's done, I think, our last 11 customers. Really happy. He's cheaper than everybody else. Matter of fact, check this out. There's Dave now, and I love it. I love it when I run into Dave, because Dave never stops. He will jump. If you come in and see a lot, he will jump off his tractor, come to you right away. He knows all our properties. He comes and sees it. So check this out. Right here is Dave. He's on his way now. He's bringing more dirt. Dave has got a few tractors. He's got everything that you need to get it done. And of course, Dave often resembles Brad Pitt. Good looking guy. Look at this guy. You know. Dave, how are you? How you doing, Dave?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good. I was just shooting a video here, and I'm showing everybody this fantastic job that you did.
I'm not done yet. I got to clean it up a little better than that.
You're going to clean it up a little better than that.
Yeah, it's going to get smoother than that.
It looks great to
Pretty
me.
lumpy over there.
It looks great to me. And I got to tell you, you've done a really great job with this. It's amazing watching it come out. Well, you know, Dave does everything. He does all the properties in here. He is the best of the best, 20% cheaper than anybody in the area. He has all his own equipment. I can't tell you enough. Dave. Without him, none of these lots would be done in this subdivision. So we have it set up so you can buy the lot. You can get the lot developed. Dave will start any lot within 48 hours, guaranteed. And if he complains, you just say, Paul said so. So he'll figure that out. But anyway, Dave, look, I appreciate you coming by the tractor. I'm going to let you go back to work, and we are going to get going. So give me a call, 423-BUY-LAND. I'm here 24/7.